Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best budget home stereo systems in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Bose Wave Music System 4. This is groundbreaking in its unique design. The Bose proprietary waveguide audio technology includes folded transmission lines that maintain control over the speed of moving air within the system, increasing amplification enormously even within the small space. This makes for sound that is balanced, free of distortion, and extremely loud, without the need for bulky speakers. The stereo system is compact, with an all-in-one unit that is just 4.5 inches at its thickest point, making it perfect to put in any place and achieve excellent surround sound. This sleek design is highly attractive, so you'll be sure to want to show it off to your friends and family. The top of the stereo system has a sensitive touch top for on/off/snooze, and you can easily control other functions with the remote control. While the Bose unit is simple and designed as a plug-and-play model, it also has adjustable bass levels for those of you that love to play around with sound. An issue with the Wave Music System is that some users have reported limited reception when using the radio function. However, if this isn't your top priority, this won't really affect you. If you're looking to invest in an innovative, premium stereo system that has excellent sound quality and unique design, the Wave Music System is as good as it gets. Number 2. Our second best pick is LG CM4590 XBOOM Home Stereo System. It hints at its capabilities in its name. Heavy bass is definitely a consideration in LG's design, with an included subwoofer that can be boosted via the remote control for a truly wall-shaking effect. Two-way speakers that can pack a whopping 700 W of power produce an astonishing volume that has to be heard to be believed. However, this stereo system isn't just loud, but also has high quality and balanced sound that will bring out the best of your favorite music. An included equalizer allows you to adjust bass and treble levels to achieve the best possible sound, with minimal distortion at even the highest volumes. It can handle a wide variety of playback modes, including Bluetooth wireless, FM radio, and CDs. It can also be easily synced with an LG TV using SoundSync wireless, so your entire home entertainment system can work together. Our only criticism with this stereo system is that some of the controls through Bluetooth are less than ideal. When streaming via your device, the maximum volume won't exceed 25, and some users have reported glitches when streaming through Spotify. If you're looking for a versatile and bass-heavy, mid-range home stereo system, this one should be on your list. Number 3. Our third best pick is Philips FX10 Bluetooth Stereo System for Home. It features superior audio design, including a dual amplifier that reduces intermodulation between the tweeter and woofer. This results in a greater sound clarity, rich bass, and minimal interference from higher frequencies. With 230 W of amplification, it also has a huge volume that can easily fill your house with your favorite music or create an immersive cinema experience. This is supplemented by the max sound bass and volume booster setting, where you can add a little extra oomph to your music with the press of a button. The speaker design includes bass reflex technology that reinforces the bass lines and ensures excellent sound quality. For clear, balanced audio that isn't shy on the bass, it has you covered. An issue with it is that the equalizer only has genre presets, but you can't independently adjust bass and treble levels. For experienced audiophiles, this can be disappointing, but it's unlikely to affect the average user. If you're looking for an affordable and diverse home stereo that plays to its strengths of volume and bass, you've found it in this one. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sharp CD BHS 1050 Stereo for Home. This one distinguishes itself from the competition by the sheer amount of playback options. This includes cassette tapes, up to 5 CDs at a time, Bluetooth, USB, and both FM and AM radio. The radio function includes up to 40 presets and clear signal without distortion, which is perfect for true radio enthusiasts who love to listen across many channels. It excels with its CD functionality, including a random play mode for a shuffle effect, an all-repeat mode for continuous playback, and silent transitions between tracks and different discs. Many home stereos include CD players as an afterthought, but Sharp puts it front and center for all of you that prefer classic playback. For those of you that love achieving the perfect sound quality, the Sharp system has you covered with its customizable sound. You can play around with the bass and treble settings, and even use the X-Bass mode for that truly mind-blowing effect. Some users of the Sharp stereo system are annoyed by the inability to dim the LED screen when the unit is on standby, which could be irritating if you intend to use it in your bedroom. However, this is a minor complaint for a system that has excellent sound, varied playback, and user-friendly design. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Yamaha YHT495OU home stereo system. It is famous for their superior audio technology. This stereo system includes an AV receiver, 5 speakers, subwoofer, and speaker wire, allowing you to achieve the ultimate sound experience from the comfort of your living room. Yamaha YPAO room optimization technology allows each of the speakers to analyze and adjust their sound according to their placement in the room, for only the best audio quality. The system is both loud and heavy on the bass. The amplified speakers can handle 150 W of power, and the subwoofer is designed with advanced YST2 technology. This includes a combination of negative impedance and constant current principles, which maintain tight control over the 8-inch speaker cone to reproduce deep and rich bass lines. Our only concern with this one is that the speakers themselves have a cheap appearance. They sound excellent, but considering the premium price tag, the aesthetics should reflect this quality. If you're looking to invest in a premium home theater system that will transform your house into a home cinema, this is top of its class. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.